How do you prepare workers for high-risk environments, like confined spaces, where one small mistake can turn routine work into a life-threatening situation? At Spatio, we developed an immersive confined space VR training module, designed specifically for the shipbuilding and maintenance industry. In this module, trainees don't just follow instructions. They engage in each scenario through a gamified, decision-based system where they must think, plan, and act to complete tasks safely. The experience. Inside the simulation, workers learn how to prepare, act, and respond to situations they may encounter on the job. They're exposed to real-world challenges, including claustrophobia, heat stress, oxygen deficiency, safe ladder use, and even co-worker emergencies. The training helps workers grasp the purpose behind every safety protocol, revealing how even a simple oversight, like missing a barricade, can lead to serious consequences. Every interaction is realistic, structured, and tracked, building muscle memory for real-life response. Once training is complete, workers enter our Gamified Evaluation module, a high-stakes simulation that reinforces learning through decision-making. They must apply protocols correctly. If they fail, they're prompted to restart. After 2 failed attempts, they're guided to revisit the training module, ensuring no gaps are left unchecked. This game-like system allows trainees to make mistakes safely, learn through repetition, and gain practical confidence in handling confined spaces. A dedicated back-end dashboard, integrated with the LMS, gives the safety team real-time insight into worker readiness, protocol adherence, and training effectiveness. Train smarter, learn faster, build a workforce that's truly ready. Book your demo with Spatio today.